This is the heavyweight title fight of the hosting world. If you are looking for premium managed WordPress hosting, it almost always comes down to these two, Kinsta versus WP Engine. Both are excellent companies. Both are light years ahead of Bluehost. But I chose Kinsta, and I want to explain exactly why, because the differences are in the details. WP Engine is the old guard. They have been around forever. They were the first ones to really do managed WordPress well. But because they are older, they have what we call tech debt. Their dashboard feels a bit dated. Their legacy infrastructure is a mix of different technologies. Kinsta is the modern challenger because they started later. They were able to build their entire infrastructure on the Google Cloud platform from day one. For a long time, WP Engine used Amazon Web Services or other providers, and you had to pay extra to get onto their faster servers. With Kinsta, every single customer, even on the cheapest starter plan, gets access to Google's C2 servers. You don't have to pay extra for speed. It is the default. Let's talk about the banned plugins list. Both hosts ban certain plugins for security, which is good. But I have found WP Engine to be much more restrictive. There have been times where I wanted to use a specific backup plugin or a specific database tool, and WP Engine simply wouldn't allow it. Kinsta is strict, but they are more flexible because their architecture isolates your site. They don't have to ban as many things because your site doesn't affect their other customers. Then there is the dashboard experience. WP Engine's user portal is functional, but it can be confusing. It takes many clicks to find your SFTP details or your database access. Kinsta's dashboard is a joy to use. It was designed by UX experts. Everything is one click away. Creating a staging site, pushing it to live, restoring a backup, it is all faster and more intuitive on Kinsta. Finally, we have to talk about pricing and value. WP Engine has a complicated pricing structure with add-ons. You want extra security. Add-on. You want speed boost. Add-on. Kinsta gives you almost everything in the core price. You get the enterprise firewall. You get the CDN. You get the C2 servers. WP Engine is a great company, and they are a safe choice. But Kinsta feels like the company of the future. It feels faster, cleaner, and more customer-centric. If I am paying the same amount of money, I want the modern infrastructure, not the legacy one.